Here is an interesting take on ESG. There are three things which are always happening in this universe: creation, maintenance, destruction. The E, environment, is the creator. Everything we have, everything what is there, exists because of the environment. S, the social, is the maintainer. Our relationships, our interconnectedness, our interrelationships. And G, the governance, is the destructor of unethical actions. In our ancient scriptures, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh are an integral and inherent part, signifying creation, maintenance, and destruction, environment, social, and governance. That's my take. What's yours?